In this video, I'll review Monzo Bank. We will look at their different account types, features, pricing, customer reviews, and more. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding whether Monzo Bank is the right option for you. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. Monzo has become incredibly popular in the UK with over 7.5 million customers. It offers a range of features to manage your money from your phone, including spending insights and overdrafts. This video focuses on their free current account option and whether it's worth opening an account. Overview of Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank operating solely through a smartphone app, serving millions of customers in the UK. It initially started as a prepaid card in 2016, but has now evolved into a full-fledged bank offering various types of current accounts and additional financial services. Monzo account types. Monzo currently offers various types of current accounts: Monzo Standard, Monzo Plus, Premium, 16 to 17, Monzo Joint accounts, and Business. Features of Monzo. Monzo's current account offers features to help you manage your finances, including spending, budgeting, saving, and borrowing. These features have become common among challenger and high street banking apps. MasterCard Debit Card. Monzo's Hot Coral debit card, accepted worldwide by most merchants, is a MasterCard. Monzo offers free spending abroad and free cash withdrawals of up to £250 per month in European countries and £200 in non-European countries. After that, a 3% fee applies. You can request money or make payments to others using a unique link generated in the app. You can use your Monzo card on Apple or Google Pay for quick contactless payments from your phone or compatible device. Easily split bills and make payments with other Monzo users directly through the app. Monzo enables users to view their PIN and debit card information directly in the app. The free version of the Monzo allows you to add tags and notes to your transactions for sorting purposes. However, for more detailed budgeting, it is recommended to use a third-party budgeting app. You can choose a lower limit for contactless spending, initially set at £100 for a single transaction and £200 in total before PIN entry is required. The free version of Monzo only offers limited categories for tagging transactions, so if you want more detailed sorting, you might need a third-party budgeting app. The app allows you to block transactions to gambling websites and services. There's a withdrawal limit of £250 every 30 days in the UK. After that, a 3% fee will be charged. You can share your account details easily through various apps. You can freeze your card in the app to prevent any payment until you locate it. Committed spending. This feature provides a comprehensive list of your monthly expenses, including bills and subscriptions. Instant updates. You can enable instant updates for tracking payments quickly. Customer reviews. Monzo has a high customer rating of 4.93 out of 5 stars with positive feedback mentioning its user-friendly app and helpful savings features. However, some customers have faced difficulties in contacting customer service and receiving timely responses. Balances. You can see all your Monzo account balances and pots in one place. Spending. This feature allows users to easily monitor their spending, categorize expenses, and compare monthly changes. Target. Monzo Trends allows users to see monthly spending targets and categorize them. Left to spend. You can track your overall budget and specific categories throughout the month to see how much you have left to spend. There are alternative ways to budget your money. Monzo Pots. Create 20 categorized pots for expenses like bills, food, and entertainment using the jam jar or envelope budgeting method. Early payday. Monzo pays salaries into accounts at 4 p.m. the day before. Salary sorter. This feature divides your salary into separate categories for spending, bills, and savings, and can also be used for any deposit over £100. Monzo in saving. Automated savings. IFTTT can be used to automate savings by setting triggers such as weather conditions or small daily amounts, making it effortless to add to your savings. Saving pots. Monzo pots separate your money from your main account, making it harder to spend. To earn interest, open a savings pot and compare rates with other savings accounts. Roundups. Monzo's auto savings feature rounds up card payments to the nearest pound and saves extra money for you. Borrowing. Mortgage Tracker. You may qualify for an arranged overdraft with rates of 19, 29, and 39% depending on your credit score. While these rates are relatively low compared to other banks, it is still an expensive borrowing option. Monzo Flex. Monzo Flex allows users to divide their purchases into 3, 6, and 12 monthly installments, functioning as a form of buy now, pay later. Overdraft. Some customers may qualify for an arranged overdraft with varying interest rates of 19, 29, and 39%. While these rates are lower compared to other banks, they're still costly for borrowing. Loans. Monzo provides loans of up to £25,000 for eligible customers. Use of Monzo App. Monzo has released a new update for its app featuring a redesigned home screen with customizable options. Users can now choose what they see and where, making it easier to access key features such as their accounts and statements. The update also allows for reordering and customization of pots with the option of a classic look or a list. Despite initial stages, the update appears to be a significant improvement, making Monzo easier to navigate. Adding money to Monzo. Making digital transactions to add money is easy, but adding cash or checks is difficult due to the lack of branches. The main ways to add money to your Monzo account include bank transfer. To transfer money into your Monzo account, provide your sort code and account number. Although bank transfers usually arrive instantly, there may be slight delays at times. Monzo Me. Monzo Me allows users to request money from others by creating unique QR codes or payment links. Non-Monzo account holders can use it to make payments, making it useful for requesting money from those who bank elsewhere. Cash deposits. Unlike Starling and many other banks, you can't use post offices to pay in cash. Instead, you can deposit cash into your Monzo account using PayPoint, which you'll find in all sorts of shops, including some Asda's and co-ops. There are around 28,000 locations across the UK. Sadly, PayPoint isn't free. It costs £1 to make a deposit, and you can deposit £5 to £300 in one go. There's a £1,000 deposit cap every 6 months too. Usually, it takes about 10 minutes for the money to show up in your account. Checks. Monzo allows checks deposited, but it takes around 5 to 7 days for the check to reach their headquarters and another week to be processed. Monzo only accepts checks in GBP, so it may be better to use a bank with a quicker check deposit process and the ability to transfer the funds. Monzo charges and limits. While Monzo's standard account is free, additional fees may be applicable for specific payments or services. Cash withdrawals in the UK. In the UK, Monzo applies a 3% fee on cash withdrawals exceeding £250 within a 30-day timeframe. Card replacements. Monzo charges £5 per card replacement, except in cases where you qualify for 2 free cards each year due to card expiration, theft, or fraud. Cash deposits. Cash deposits into your Monzo account will incur a fee of £1 per deposit up to a maximum of £300 per day and £1,000 every 6 months. Cash withdrawals abroad. A 3% fee is added to withdrawals exceeding £250 in European nations and £200 in non-European countries. Can Monzo be considered secure? Monzo is a licensed bank regulated by the FCA, ensuring fair and secure customer treatment. The FSCS protects up to £85,000 in the Monzo account, guaranteeing a return if any issues arise within the bank. Linked savings accounts may be held with different banks, which will be indicating upon opening. Will my Monzo account be closed? Monzo, along with other banks like NatWest, Barclays, Monese, and Revolut, has faced criticism for closing or freezing bank accounts. The power to take such actions is exercised by Monzo and other banks to safeguard their customers. Several reasons may lead to the closure of your account, such as police instruction. Monzo can close your account upon request by the police for investigation of financial misconduct. Risky customers. Monzo reserves the right to close accounts that pose a risk to the bank or its customers. Unusual activity. Your account might be blocked or closed if there is suspicious or criminal activity, or if the fraud detection system detects any unauthorized access, aiming to safeguard your funds from potential theft. Monzo assures customers that they should not be unduly concerned about the closure of accounts compared to other banks. They assert that their advanced technology enables them to detect suspicious activities more effectively. Nonetheless, mistakes can still occur, and if anyone is affected, they are advised to reach out to the financial ombudsman. Customer reviews of the Monzo app. According to Smart Money People, Monzo received a rating of 4.93 out of 5 stars from 11,000 reviews in August 2023. Positive feedback praises the simplicity, app features, and saving options of Monzo's standard current account. However, negative reviews mention difficulties in reaching customer service and resolving inquiries. Pros and cons of Monzo. Pros: easy to install and operate with many budgeting features and a few spending insights. No fees for overseas spending. Includes automated savings like roundups and scheduled saving pots. Can be combined with IFTTT for increased savings. Possibly offers lower cost overdrafts. Regulated by FCA and FSCS. Protection. No credit checks except for overdraft applications. Cons: 3% fees for cash withdrawals beyond the allowed limit in the UK and internationally. No physical bank branches or in-person customer assistance. A £1 charge per cash deposit. No interest, cashback, or rewards. Payment is required for full features. No virtual cards are available with the free account, and no incentives for switching banks. So, is Monzo worth it? In addition to being a favorite among fans, Monzo's standard account is a versatile option for spending and budgeting. The recent redesign aims to provide a more intuitive experience while still offering helpful features for money management, budgeting, and saving. Other convenient features are easily accessing card details and simplifying payments. If you are seeking a user-friendly way to manage your everyday spending, Monzo is worth considering as long as you're comfortable with digital banking. So let me ask you a question. What do you think about Monzo? Let me know down in the comment section below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.